So I'm just going to get my pizza out the oven. Oh, plenty of steam there. Here's my pizza shot. There we go. Out it comes. Now what I was going to use was one of these. But do you know what? Last week when I made pizzas, it just seemed to drag all the way through the pizza and make a real mess of the topping. And you know, I'm quite annoyed actually, because I've only had this pizza cutter wheel thing for about a month or two, and it already seems to be going blunt. It's absolutely useless. So I went online and I thought I would try this new gadget. Yep, you know me, Emily loves a gadget. And it gives you this really handy pizza slice cutter thing. Although, I tell you what, if I gave my sons or my husband a slice of pizza any of that size, I don't think they'd be friends with me for very long. But really good if you've got like Christmas dinner parties and stuff like that. That's quite handy. And you just want to do like buffet size slices. But what I've got is these. They're actually called pizza scissors. Now, again, down below you'll find the link of where I got these from. And it's up to you if you want to buy them from there or find them from somewhere else. But they're pretty good, I think, so let's give it a go. It's really quite a crispy base, so let's have a go, see if I can get this cut through. So you can see, let's give these a go. Oh wow, they are sliding through absolutely effortlessly. These are genius. I don't know why I didn't know about these beforehand. I think that other wheelie thing is going to go in the bin. That is really good. I'll just show you again, just from this angle. Just look, because it's really crispy. Look, effortless. And it's not dragging through the pizza. They are fantastic. They are going to be one of my must-have gadgets, definitely.